Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get GST in Tally Prime. First, navigate to the F11 Features menu and enable the Goods and Services tax option. Next, input your company's GST identification number, select your registration type, and specify the applicable tax period. Remember to set the correct tax rates for all your stock items and service ledgers to ensure accurate calculations. This foundational setup is crucial for seamless GST compliance. Once setup is complete, recording transactions is straightforward. When creating sales or purchase vouchers, ensure you select the correct GST ledgers, such as CGST, SGST, or IXT. Tally Prime automatically calculates the tax amounts. For purchases, remember to claim your input tax credit to minimize your overall tax burden. Always issue proper GST invoices for every sale, detailing all required tax information. Tally Prime simplifies GST report generation significantly. You can easily access essential reports like GSTR1, GSTR2, and GSTR3B from the Display More Reports menu. Before filing, always cross-check the data for accuracy to prevent any potential issues or penalties. These reports can be exported in various formats, including JSON or Excel, making submission to the tax portal quick and efficient. To maintain smooth GST operations, consider these tips. Regularly reconcile your financial records with bank statements to ensure data consistency and accuracy. Always keep your Tally Prime software updated to the latest release. This ensures compliance with any new tax regulations or amendments. For intricate GST situations or unique business requirements, consulting a tax professional is always a wise decision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.